Popotiness! Tonight I'll tell you a story and a song about what happened when Popotín took his puppet Pinocchio to the workshop with a special goal. To the old repair workshop came Popotín with his puppet. He carried Pinocchio in his arms, with his nose broken for no reason. It was slightly coming loose, it couldn't stay in place. And Popotín softly whispered, "I want to fix him today." The master of the repair shop looked at it with great care. "That's nothing, little one. It can be fixed with love and care." With Popotos, we meet Pinocchio. With Popotos, we learn through stories. Subscribe and you will see real adventures, because together we will learn what friendship means. With glue and lots of patience, he adjusted the screw and the paint, and the nose stood straight again, just like new, perfect and great. Popotín slowly fell asleep, lying next to his dear friend. And in his dreams of many colors, a beautiful fairy appeared to him. Seeing how much Popotín loved him, she gave him a little heart. Then Pinocchio opened his eyes, and like a real child he jumped. They played together in the meadow, true friends from the start. Pinocchio laughed and hugged him. What a wonderful friendship of the heart. Popotín woke up so happy from that special dream he had. He told his mom with excitement, "I had the most amazing dream." Subscribe now and you will see